welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we have my dad, as you can see from his hat. We are doing downtown Disney today. I'll let you know about parking on the way out, because what we think is we parked at Simba. Simba, you have to pass, don't go towards the parking for parks, because that's going to be $30. So you're going to go on the right lanes instead, and then you're going to pass the Paradise Pier Hotel, and then you're going to take a right and you're going to park at Simba. And we think it's going to be free, because if you buy things or if you eat at restaurants, they validate parking. So I think it's going to be free, but I'll let you know at the end of the video or on the bottom or something if it is. No real plan. I think I want him to try Trader Sam's, and we're gonna get an apple for my mom, of course, and just shop around. Probably just a couple hours, but I wanted to bring you along. Let's hear all about it. We checked into the Trader Sam's. It's 12:40. We'll see when they call us. I couldn't find a reservation because this was very last minute. So we just did a walk-in. She was really nice, from Canada. And then she said she might be able to get us in 10-20 minutes. So we'll see. I'm just going to show my, yeah, my dad's like, yeah. I'm just going to show my dad around the hotels and the store, and then we'll be back.
Yeah.
Okay, we actually got in here less than 5 minutes.
Like I said, the down I go more for the sweet factor over a spirit forward drink. So that's why
Alright, my dad got a tiki room. How was it? Did you like it?
I didn't try it.
Oh. Yeah, I got my piranha. Oh, try mine. Oh, okay. I really like the piranha. I recommend it. And then you got to see the boat sink.
we're taking on water!
Dad got the Krakatoa. Oh. And then it's burning back there. Dad got the Krakatoa punch. I got the Sambi.
Yeah.
You wanna try it?
Right.
Alright, I got Sambi.
That's a strong one, but a good one.
And it's trade. Krakatoa. This one's better.
That's just pretty good.
And I'm still finishing all to the last sip of my piranha.
Yeah, you're behind.
I am behind, but that's beating me.
I'm not driving then.
Yeah, I'm the driver. But we'll be walking. Don't worry, Mom. Don't worry. It's just a drink. And we'll be walking. We just ended at the Tiki Bar. Did you like it?
100%, guys. You have to go.
You have to go. We got a really nice cast member. He was really nice.
Yeah,
he noticed that we were talking Spanish, and he's like, "Oh, I speak Spanish." So then he just talked Spanish to us.
I'm not talking. No hablo español.
And so it was cute. Now we're just gonna walk around, figure out where we want to get lunch, and get our names on the walk-up list. Yeah. We came over to the coffee house that's across the Disneyland Hotel Adventure Tower. and get a muffin. Because last time I was here, I saw a person eating it, and I was like, I want it. So we came and we got it. And now we're going into the store, our first store. Fantasia. Yeah, some jewelry. I saw this last time. Some earrings. I just pin traded. I'll show them to you later. Oh. January. That's my mom's month. Really quickly before I forget, Trader Sam doesn't validate parking for the Simba, but if you park over at the Disneyland Hotel, they validate it. So if you just want to come quickly, they would validate that. But not for Simba, yes for the Disneyland Hotel. Okay, so we're at La Brea Bakery. We're gonna share a chimichurri steak sandwich and a dessert probably, and then we'll start walking back towards that, and we'll shop on the way back. So far we've been drinking and eating like you do at Disney, and then we'll go shopping. It's a little warm, a little bit, not as warm as Disney World, but. Alright, we got chimichurri sandwich. It has like tortilla chips, some peppers, it has a steak and some cheese, and then we got Cajun fries, and they were really nice and brought up extra plate since we're sharing. Alright, we just went to La Brea Bakery right there. My dad and I shared the chimichurri steak sandwich with the fries. I think that's good we shared because I feel full.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna try like desserts or something. Would you go back?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I would go back to share, and it's like a good escape. And maybe breakfast probably is pretty good there.
Yeah, breakfast is pretty good.
Yeah, and the service was nice. There wasn't that much inside seating, so just be aware. Not a lot of inside seating. But yeah. So now we're gonna go find the restroom and then to the shop. Oh, look how pretty is this. We just went to the Express. They have like a little Express section. And they have like breads and sandwiches that you can get to go.
Yeah, nice service by the way.
Yeah, he was really nice. Recommended some bread, so we got more bread. And and we went back to the restaurant to validate our parking, and they did. So we'll see how it turns out. World of Disney. And then this is like the big shop. So you'll find most things here. Now the teacup one for 85. Well, they have one, and then they have the Brendan's favorite ride for 85. Let's see if my dad likes it, because I told him I wanted to get a purse or a backpack, but I didn't tell him what it looked like. He's right there. See his little ears? Sorry. Do you want to see the bag? There's the bag.
Oh, it's a stand, doesn't it?
Hola, ves.
Oh. Wow.
Cute, huh?
That's really cute.
Yeah. There's also a bunch of like electrical parade merch still. And I know the bag sold out a while ago, but they have so many now, so just everywhere, a bunch. Went to dress shops on nothing. Went to Marceline's, got goodies, apples, and yeah. But now we're walking back that way to see what else we find. But we've got quite a bit of stuff already. Empty hand. All right, beignet time. It's like a little door here. Beignet. just tried the beignets, so good with the raspberry sauce. Did you like the beignets?
No, very good.
Really good. I would repeat them. And I'm not a big fan of beignets, but I would do those again.
Very nice.
Yeah, the raspberry sauce. The raspberry sauce made it. And then my dad got a pickle corn dog. And what is that? Peanut butter?
I guess so.
Peanut butter? How is it? Eh?
That's good, huh?
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We got it at a corn dog stand here by the monorail and the pin traders. I'm not a corn dog person. I'm not a pickle person. So that's all my dad. I'm not a peanut butter person. All my dad right there. But yeah, I guess we would repeat both. But the beignets with the raspberry sauce. Get the raspberry sauce for sure. I could just eat the raspberry sauce. Skip the beignet. Alright, it's been a couple hours. We ate, did some shopping, and now we're going back to the car. I'll let you know how much it costs once we figure it out. What was your favorite?
Let's see the damage later.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that'll be a whole different video where you can see that. What was your favorite thing?
I guess the bar that was really cool.
Okay, yeah.
Atmosphere, yeah.
Yeah, he said he would go back to Trader Sam's for sure. Yeah, he liked the funness, and I was telling him or how fun it was, how the Disney World one is different but also fun. And then, what wouldn't you do again?
Let's try.
The Cajun fries?
I don't like the Cajun fries, but I like the sandwich. The sandwiches are really good.
Yeah. So the Cajun fries were a little too Cajun-y, so both of us were like, and not spicy like, but like there was too much like condiment, so it left our mouths very dry and very like gross. Yeah. So we had to like eat. I mean, we had to sacrifice ourselves and eat one of the muffins to like.
Yeah, that was really delicious.
Get rid of the taste. And then we both agreed the sandwich was really good. We thought there was very little steak for the price because it was like $23. But the steak was very well made and easy to like bite. A lot of fries. But yeah, we got a lot of goodies to eat. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, I'll put our final price for how much we paid at the parking down below. And then don't forget to subscribe so you can see the haul and other trips like this. And until next time, adios.